Today on Firebird Friday, we are test fitting the 77 Pontiac 350 motor with the motor mount adapters from insert auto parts name here. So I can attach the later style block to the early style frame mount. So let's see if we can get this put together and have a little fun doing this and figure some stuff out together on this. So enough of this and some more of this, and hopefully we'll get an engine in today. All right, so to put the motor mounts on, they're because it's a 77 motor, the mounts are different for the first gen cars. So they sell these adapter plates that you take the mounts to. So we're gonna try to get those installed and see what they look like. So we're gonna take this bar, we're gonna take the two original bolts and the two big ones up against there. That mount is just about a 1/16 of an inch off. Alright, so now on this side, stayed. All right, so now this one, put our washers on. And well, unfortunately, the mounts are about a 1/16 of an inch off from lining up correctly with the holes on the mount. So I'm gonna have to just give me a little bit of extra room right there. So I'm gonna throw this in the vise and let's drill it out real quick. Okay, let's give it a shot. First one in. Yep. That's all she needed, was just that little bit of a snug on there. Let me see if I can. Okay, so I got passenger side mount on. I'm just going to double check my other bolts here. gonna drill this one out real quick. Let's try this out now. So I'll put this back mount in. Okay. Then we'll try this. We just open that hole just a little bit. Okay, put the back one in first. Okay, that's good. Here we go, let's see. Mucho better. There we go. Just needed that little bit of a hair more. Tight. Okay, just move these, just double check these ones. Yep, down and down. Sweet. Sure that probably goes something like that, maybe. All right. I say we try to stick her in there, test fit her. All right, so you can see here's our metal mount, and you can see the rubber mount just isn't quite sitting correctly. Now the bolt hole, you can kind of see it right in there, and then the hole for the mount is about a 1/2 inch that way, so it's off about a 1/2 inch. On the other side, it's a little better. Let's get it up in there. So on this side here, you can see, if I can kind of get that light to, it's only about a 1/16 of an inch off, and I can actually get the screw into the mount to lock it down on that side, but not on the driver's side. So we're gonna see if we can't fix that now. All right, let me just silver Sharpie, because all that stuff is black down there. I'm gonna make one line for where the hole is on the frame mount, and then another line where the hole is on the rubber part. That way we can kind of see how far off we are. So yeah, we're a good half inch, maybe a full inch off before we can get this bolt up in there. So let's see if we can't move that engine a little bit more back this way. All right, so we finally got them in there. You can see they're, hopefully that will focus on there for us. Let's see. And again, see how those lines match up? It is now in there on that side. And it took literally just move constantly. And doing it by myself was a complete pain in the ass. But we got both sides in. Let me zoom in here for us. We can kind of see. So you can see now the lip. See that's what we wanted. We wanted that lip to be on that side, pushing in on that mount. So we got this 77 Pontiac 350. We switched it over with the mounts to give it the old early style Pontiac mounts instead of the old or the late Pontiac mounts. Let me see if I can just get in here and see. Yep, kind of see right there. Again, same thing like before. It's in its lip. So it lines up on both sides. So the kit works. So you can put a late 70s Poncho motor into a first gen Firebird F-body. I'm loving it. All right, guys, we have the 77 Pontiac 350 with the mounts, the adapters to be able to put in a late model Pontiac motor into a first gen F body. Everything worked out fine. There was no modifications other than that slight just boring out the actual rubber mounts metal area, just like a 1/16 of an inch to get it to mount up and bolt up to those adapters. But other than that, we are in. It is solid as can be. Everything lines up perfectly, as you can see. So we have yet another project done on this 67 Firebird. Thank you guys. If you're your first time watching, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. We're almost at 5,000. I'm working on a giveaway, so comment down below if you have some ideas on what I should give away. T-shirts, gift cards to, parts catalog places. Let me know what you're thinking on that one, and we'll go from there. So thank you so much. Please check with us next Friday. We'll have another video. I think the next video is going to be either refurbishing those Rally 2 wheels we picked up, or we're going to tear into the rear end and get that out and replace all the bushings on the rear end of our Firebird. So with that, guys, thank you so much. Please like and subscribe. Share this video out with your friends and family. I appreciate you. This channel has gone from just a simple video documentation for my brother's family to watch, and the rest of my family to watch as I restore the Firebird of his Firebird. And you guys have pushed me to almost 5,000 subscribers. I never would have thought 5,000 people would want to watch me restore an old car. And I'm a Porsche guy, and I'm trying to do a American muscle car. So it's a little bit different. Metric to standard. Whoa, way different. But hey, half inch, 13 inch, or 13 millimeter, all the same. So, all right, guys, I'm going to give this up. You have a great day and enjoy your weekend. And I'll see you next Friday for another episode of Firebird Fridays. Thank you, guys.